Good day everyone. In this video, this is the last performance task, which is crafting an instructional materials. And I chose grade 7, which is a quarter 1 module 1. And its learning competency is assesses eating habits based on the Philippine pyramid. And I chose a flip chart as an instructional materials. And the materials to be used or materials needed are cartolina, and I chose yellow, different colors of markers, and then paper clip, and also a scissor. So let's start. Alright, first we're going to have our front page of our flip chart. Cartolina, it should be the same color in order to obtain the unity. When we are done to our first page, your guide to healthy eating using the food pyramid. Alright, so we are done with our first page. Let's proceed to our second page. Second page is all about unlocking. Unlocking, it means we're going to define the words in order for our students to understand what the word means. We are now finished to our second page, which is all about unlocking the pyramid itself. We have here our third page, and we're going to print and cut out, and we're going to paste it here. my final output. Alright, here is the flip chart. What's so-called flip chart? One of the instructional materials used by educators or the teachers. This is a must while they are teaching, because learning will become effective when educators or the teachers uses instructional materials. We have here our first page, your guide to healthy eating using the food pyramid. Since our learning objectives or the learning competency is all about assessing the food habit, the healthy habit based on the food pyramid. Right. So we have here, after the first page or our cover page, we have here the unlocking. When we say unlocking, it is defining or giving the definition of the words or the difficult words in order for us to unlock the difficult words for our students. We have here what is food pyramid, servings and alternatives. Alright, after that we have here the food pyramid. Alright, it is very visible, it is very obvious that in the upper part we must select less, which means fats, oils, sugar and salts must be used in small amounts, and followed by the meat and alternatives, fruits and vegetables, and thus we must select more on the base. Alright, so we have here rice and alternatives. By these instructional materials, we can make our discussion, we can discuss more and present more about more information about the healthy food eating, or what are the best food that we must eat every day. Alright, so here is it, and that would be all. Thank you for watching.